Welcome to Employment and Education News. Like, share, and subscribe is 100% free. So, please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. Chargeman Electrical, Electrician A, Electrician B, Word B post vacancy in Hindustan Copper Limited. Eligibility Graduate Diploma in Engineering, ITI Electrical with experience. Age limit maximum 40 years. Age on 1st January 2025. Last date for application 25 February 2025. Application fees are as 500 for general, OBC and EWS candidates. Technician, instrument mechanic or electronic mechanic, laboratory assistant chemical plant, refrigeration and air conditioning, draftsman civil, physiotherapy, medical lab technician, nursing or midwife, catering or hospitality assistant, lab animal handling and breeding, housekeeper or front office assistant, pharmacist, network maintenance, computer operator and programming assistant, administration assistant, library assistant, desktop publishing operator, leather goods maker, footwear maker, floriculturist, mechanic motor vehicle post vacancy in CSIR Central Leather Research Institute. Eligibility ITI certificate for all the above posts. Age limit maximum 28 years. Last date for application 16 February 2025. Technical assistant, technician, junior stenographer, junior secretariat assistant, junior Hindi translator post vacancy in CSIR National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology. Eligibility 12th ITI, BSc Chemistry, BSc Computer Science or Information Technology, BSc Electronics, Applied Electronics, Instrumentation, Electronics and Instrumentation, Diploma in Electronics, Applied Electronics, Instrumentation, Electronics and Instrumentation, Mechanical Engineering. Master degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject or as medium of examination at the degree level. Age limit maximum 27 years for junior stenographer, 28 years for technical assistant, technician, junior secretariat assistant and 30 years for junior Hindi translator. Last date for application 3 March 2025. Executive Trainee HR, CSR, PR post vacancy in Damodar Valley Corporation. Eligibility ITI, MBA degree in HR, postgraduate degree or diploma in Personnel Management and Industrial Relation or Human Resource Management. Postgraduate degree or diploma in Rural Management. Postgraduate degree or postgraduate diploma in Communication, Advertising and Communication Management, Public Relation, Mass Communication, Journalism. Age limit maximum 29 years. Last date for application 9 February 2025. Thanks for watching till the end.